Welcome everyone, welcome in class 6th mathematics. Today we are going to solve exercise 6.3. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with symbol less than, greater than or equal. So without delay, let's start. Here question number 2, part A is -3 plus -6 blank -3 -6. We have to check whether the left side is greater or smaller. The first integer -3 is a negative integer, -6 is also a negative integer. We have to add both of them. So we'll get -3 -6. The numbers will be added, it will be 9 and the sign will be common. We'll add the numbers 3 and 6, 9 and the sign will remain same. So sign will be minus. Let's solve right hand side. -3 is a negative integer and -6 turns into +6. We will change the middle minus sign into plus sign and inside the bracket we will write additive inverse of -6. We'll get -3 plus 6. -3 is a negative integer and 6 is a positive integer. We have to add both of them, but their signs are opposite, so they will not be added. 6 is greater than 3, so we will subtract 3 from 6. 6 is having positive sign, 3 is having negative sign, so we'll get the sign of 6 means plus sign. Now -3 plus -6, -3 plus -6 we had got -9 and -3 minus -6 after calculation we had got +3. So +3 is greater and -9 is smaller. +3 is a greater number, -9 is a smaller number, so we can write -9 is less than +3. Let's solve C part. 45 minus -11 blank 57 plus -4. We'll write 45 and we know that -11 turns into 11 or -11 can be written as +11. So here we are writing directly +11 in place of -11 and we'll get 56. Let's solve right hand side. 57 is a positive integer, -4 is a negative integer. We have to add both of them. Since the signs of the integers are different, so the numbers will be subtracted. 57 is greater than 4, so out of 57 we will subtract 4. The answer is 53. Now what about the sign? 57 is positive, 4 is negative, 57 is greater, so the sign will be positive. We'll get +53 to the right hand side. Now let's compare. 56 is greater number than 53 and 53 we can write smaller number. So the symbol will be greater. 56 is greater than 53. This is the way you can solve such types of questions. Now try yourself. A part. -53 minus -20 blank -53 minus 20. B part. -70 plus -20 -70 minus 20. C part. 10 minus -30 blank -30 plus -10. Thank you for watching and learning. Please do subscribe the channel.